in the magnanimity is secondary in Krishna.
क्यों?
Why?
कृष्ण जो प्रेम प्रदान कर रहे हैं,
Krishna is giving
वो
prem,
वृंदावन के अंदर ही प्रदान
but
कर रहे
only inside Vrindavan.
हैं, वृंदावन के बाहर नहीं
Outside Vrindavan, no.
है। लतास्य कोऽपि प्रेम अबुद्धञ्चते। वृंदावन की जितने में लता वृक्ष
All
आदि
the creepers in trees of Vrindavan,
वो सब कृष्ण प्रेम में उन्मत्त हो रहा है।
they are all intoxicated by Krishna prem.
कृष्ण प्रेम में उन्मत्त हो जाए।
They are intoxicated
वृंदावन
by
के
Krishna
बाहर
prem.
के बारे में नहीं कह रहे।
But we don't hear this about outside
वृंदावन में वृक्ष
Vrindavan.
लता आदि,
The creepers and trees of
गोविंद
Vrindavan,
के दर्शन स्पर्शन आदि के द्वारा सब उन्मत्त हो
they
जाते
become intoxicated when Krishna
हैं।
touches
यहाँ पर
them.
भ्रमर गुंजन आदि करते हैं।
The bumblebees are humming, the bees are humming,
जिनकी वंशित ध्वनि सुन
and
करके
hearing the
शिला
sound of the
आदि
flute,
पिघल जाते
even its stones
हैं।
melt.
नदी की जलधारा जो है
The
वो स्तंभित हो
water of
जाती
the
है, रुक
rivers,
जाती
they
है।
stop,
नद्यस तथा
hearing the sound of the flute. They stop flowing.
श्री हरि की मुकुंद की वंशित ध्वनि सुन करके
Hearing the sound of the flute of Krishna,
नदियों की जलधारा क्या हो रही
the water of the rivers
स्तंभित हो रही
becomes stunned,
जलधारा तो
stops.
ऊपर से आ रहे
The water is coming from up.
हैं। नदियों की जलधारा
The water of the rivers, the flow of water is coming from up.
किंतु नीचे आकर अपना भेदेगा। आवर्त वहीं पर एक घूर्णी
Avarta
पकड़
means there's like a whirlpool going on.
हैं। जिसे कहा जाता है हमर पड़ जाता है। हमर समझते हैं?
It's called a whirlpool of water. Why?
मुकुंद के वेणु गीत की ऐसे सुंदर मधुर जो
The beautiful sweet sound of the flute of Krishna.
यहाँ तक भी
Even the
गंगा मानसी गंगा
Manasi Ganga,
जमुना आदि जल नदी
Jamuna, all the water of these rivers,
गोविंद की चरण छोड़ करके जाना नहीं
they
चाहते
don't want to go from Krishna's lotus feet.
और उनकी सारी सब वस्तु क्या है विभ्रम हो गया विभ्रम से है सब whirlpool हो गया
Everything becomes a whirlpool, becomes like opposite.
है
Whirlpool.
चित्त इतने ही होते जा रहे हैं इसलिए करो नद्दस तथा तदुपधार्य मुकुंद गीतम आवृत भवगन वेगा है स्त्रिंगन आलिंगन है क्योंकि गोविंद दर्शन गोविंद स्पर्शन
Because seeing Govinda, having being touched by Govinda's hands,
वृंदावन
sound of the flute is so sweet.
नदियों की जलधारा
Everything in
की
Krishna is so
कैसे
sweet. You see how? What happens to the water of the rivers of Vrindavan? Who is saying this?
ये गोपियां गा रही
The gopis are describing this
है
effect of Krishna's flute.
वृंदावन की जलधारा तो चिन्मय है
The water of Vrindavan is transcendental.
गणमय तोय अमृतम कथा गानं नाट्यम गमनोपि
The land is transcendental. Each
अप्राकृत है
speak is a
कि तथापि
song,
एक
each
प्राकृतिक दिखाई पड़ते जा रहा है
step.
किंतु महाभागवती गोपियों की
But
दृष्टि
Vrindavan is transcendental. But the Mahabhava gopis who have Mahabhava, they are looking
वृंदावन के
according to their vision. They're
मानसी
saying,
गंगा
"Oh my friend,
जमुना आदि
look at the Jamuna, Manasi Ganga, all the rivers,
अथवा ह्रद आदि जो है ह्रद समझते हो लेक
the lakes." Harad. Harad means lake.
ह्रद
Harad.
ह्रद कैसे पढ़ते हैं
Harad means what?
तालाब
Like a lake.
है, सरोवर आदि जो वो भी कैसे हो रहे हैं उनके जल सब स्थिर हो गए
The water of the lakes also stop
वृक्ष राजी
moving,
क्या होती है?
flowing. Even the trees
स्थिर हो गए
becomes also stunned.
हैं? और वो समस्त विशेष करके बांसों के जो पेड़
Especially
झाड़ी आदि है,
These bamboo
वृंदावन
trees
में
in
बांसों की जो
Vrindavan,
झाड़ियाँ आती
there
हैं,
are so many bamboo forests.
वो बांसों की क्या हो रहा
What happens to the bamboo forests?
है उनकी चित्त द्रव्यमान होती जा रही
Their heart melts.
है क्यों
Why?
सोच रहे देखो
They
ये
think,
कृष्ण के वंशी ध्वनि
The sound of the flute of Krishna
सबको कैसे मोहित करता है
is enchanting
कृष्ण सदा
everyone,
सर्वदा
and Krishna
वंशी
is
को क्या करते हैं?
always what?
अपने अधरामृत को पान करा रहे हैं।
Making the flute drink the nectar of his own lotus feet, lotus mouth. Sorry. So the gopis are saying this.
गोविंद के अधरामृत
The Adharamrita, the nectar of
एकमात्र
Krishna's
गोपियों
mouth,
की सुलभ
is
है
actually
दूसरे के लिए
the
नहीं।
property of gopis
क्योंकि
only.
देखो वृंदावन के जितने
But you see,
बांस आदि
all the bamboos of Vrindavan,
वो देख करके सौभाग्य
when they
मानते
see
हैं। क्यों?
the flute, they feel proud also. The trees also feel proud.
या हमारे वंश में तो बांस
You know,
पैदा हुआ
bamboo
है।
is born in our dynasty, not the tree dynasty.
किसी कुल में कोई
Like
विशेष
suppose if someone very
व्यक्ति जब आ जाता है
important person comes in your
वो
family,
व्यक्ति
in your
उसी कुल
dynasty,
की जो गौरव थामते हैं।
So he'll be the pride of the family,
आज
isn't it?
यदि आपके वंश में जब कोई प्रधानमंत्री हो
If
हालांकि
somebody
उसके साथ कोई संबंध नहीं है,
becomes the prime minister in
केस
your
कचहरी नहीं
family,
चल रहे, तथापि यार बाहर जाओगे कोई फलाना व्यक्ति
like maybe you don't even have so much relationship with this
मेरे
person in the family.
देश के प्रधानमंत्री है,
Externally, you always tell to others, "Oh, that person is prime minister. He's in my family." This is like the pride of the family.
हालांकि उस व्यक्ति के साथ तुम्हारे कोई
Maybe you don't have any relationship with this person,
किंतु वंश के
but
परिचय
still,
होने के नाते
because of the family
उस व्यक्ति के प्रति हमारी एक
identity, you have some
सहानुभूति है और उस व्यक्ति के प्रति
admiration to that
गौरव
person. You feel pride because of this
गौरव
person.
बोध समझते हैं? श्रेष्ठता बुद्धि आ जाती
Like you think, like he's very great, very
है।
high,
उसी प्रकार वृंदावन के जितने वृक्ष
admire,
आदि
like
हैं,
this. So
वो वृक्ष आदि भी
all the trees of Vrindavan,
प्रेम में विवाहित होकर के
being
आंख से
absorbed in
आंख की
prem,
धारा प्रवाहित
they start to cry
क्यों? ये वंशी कहाँ से आया? हमारी वंशज ही है।
because the flute came from our dynasty also.
इसलिए वृक्ष की भी दशा भी ऐसी हो जाती
So this is what happens with the
है।
trees.
वनलता तरबो व्यंजन्ति पुष्प फलाढ्या। वृंदावन के जितने भी वृक्ष
All the
आदि
trees of Vrindavan,
हैं, वो वृक्ष आदि गोविंद के कैसे सेवा आदि करते
how
हैं,
they are serving Govinda,
हम उसको अनुमान नहीं कर
we
सकते।
cannot even imagine.
कृष्ण जब वृंदावन
When
में
Krishna
पधारते
enters in Vrindavan,
हैं, और गोविंद के दर्शन करके वो वृक्ष आदि आनंद में
when the trees see Govinda, the trees are immersed in oceans of bliss, and they start to
बोले
cry
गोविंद दर्शन में इतने आनंद
because
होता
they
है।
feel so much bliss seeing Govinda.
जब कृष्ण धीरे धीरे वृंदावन में
When
प्रवेश
Krishna
करते हैं
slowly
गोचारण,
enters Vrindavan to graze the cows,
उस समय वो वृक्ष
At
आदि
that
गोविंद
moment,
की कैसे सेवा आदि करते हैं,
the trees they serve Govinda.
जिसे कहते हैं वनलता तरबो व्यंजन्ति पुष्प फलाढ्या। वो वृक्ष आदि अपने पुष्प
The trees they offer their own flowers, fruits,
आदि गोविंद के लिए उपहार दे देते हैं,
and they give it as a gift to Krishna.
जिसके हमें प्रीति हो जाती
If
है।
you love someone,
प्रिय वस्तु के हम क्या देते हैं?
what do you want to give to
हमारी
your
जो कोई भी
beloved?
वस्तु है, सब
Whatever you have, you want to give to your.
है, दे देते
You give everything,
हैं।
isn't it?
कंजूसी नहीं करते
You're not miser to the person.
हैं। प्रियजन की यही लक्षण है।
This is the symptom when you love someone.
वृंदावन के वृक्ष आदि
Sorry, so the trees of
दर्शन
Vrindavan,
करके उनके
when they
हृदय
see
में
Govinda, they feel in their
प्रेम
hearts
उत्पन्न
so
होता है।
much prema, so much love.
वो वृक्ष आदि क्या करते हैं?
So the trees,
गोविंद के जय पुष्पों के द्वारा
by
गोविंद के
flowers,
क्या करते हैं?
they do what?
स्वागत करते
They welcome Krishna.
हैं। जैसे सद्गुरु सत
Just
शिष्य
like when the bona fide guru comes in the house of the bona fide disciple,
सत शिष्य क्या
the
करते
bona
हैं?
fide disciple, what does he do? He
स्वागत करते हैं।
welcomes the guru,
स्वागतम 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 मम मन मंदिरे
welcomes Guru,
रह
the
निषिद्धि
Guru. Swagatam, swagatam, mamona mandire rahanishidi.
क्योंकि प्रियजन की
Because
प्रति एक
you love your beloved, it's like unexplainable,
आनंद उन्मुख होता है।
and you feel so much desire to serve and bliss.
भक्त दशा में जीव की नहीं हो रहा।
Actually, in the conditioned
अपराध
soul,
में और नहीं होता है।
the jivas don't feel this, and also so many offenses are there.
किंतु देखो
But
सामर्थ्य भी
even if a little bit you have the abhas, the semblance of bhakti, even a little bit,
डिवाइन लव
the semblance of divine love, bhakti in someone,
उसमें इतने भाव उत्पन्न
you'll feel so much bhav.
है। इसलिए कहते हैं वृंदावन जब कृष्ण
So
पधारते
when
हैं,
Krishna comes in
वृक्ष
Vrindavan,
आदि क्या करते हैं?
the trees, what do?
अपने फूलों के पंखुड़ियों के
They
द्वारा
offer the petals of the
गोविंद के
flowers,
क्या करते हैं?
and they do what?
सादर अभिनंदन करते हैं।
Welcome, beautiful welcome to Krishna.
है? स्वागतम 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 गोविंद के अभिनंदन करते हैं।
They are welcoming Krishna.
है? विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद
Vishwanath
टीका में
Chakravarti
वर्णन करते
in the
हैं।
commentary he explains,
है? वनलता तरबो व्यंजन्ति पुष्प फलाढ्या। है? पहले वृक्ष क्या करते हैं? अपने
first
फूलों के
the
पंखुड़ियों के
trees they
द्वारा
offer with the petals of the
गोविंद
flowers,
के लिए सुंदर कारपेट बिछा देते हैं।
they make a beautiful carpet to Krishna. You know carpet.
कहीं गोविंद के चरण में खरोच न लग जाए। है?
So they make a very beautiful carpet for Krishna so that his feet will not be injured by
यहाँ
anything.
पर किसी प्रकार से जो है
Actually in Vrindavan,
तम वस्तु नहीं है।
there's
माने? नुकीले
There's not any sharp stones are not actually in Vrindavan. Sharping stones or something. Actually, it looks like there's some stone or something like very sharp, but actually it's like a sponge. You know, a sponge. If you put your feet on the sponge, it will like be pressed. But still, look at the bark of the trees. They don't want the feet of Krishna to feel any kind of pain. That's why the trees, with their petals of their flowers, the trees are welcoming Krishna and make like a carpet really. Color red, yellow, blue, so many petals of the flowers in this carpet. Because this Seva-vritti is mamata. So the more you have knowledge of relationship, Sambandha again, the more mamata, possessiveness will come in your heart. Mamata is the indication of love. The general definition of prem. Ordinary definition of prem is Ananya Mamata Vishnu Mamata Prema Sangata. Means if you have one-pointed possessiveness towards Lord, is prem. In this world, people have possessiveness for what? First of all, for our own bodies. Then, whatever is related to the body, whatever is related, we also feel this possessiveness. For your own son, daughter, family, etc. You have this also possessiveness for them, right? Yes. But in the realm of bhakti, to have one-pointed possessiveness to Vishnu, Ananya means one-pointed mamata only for Vishnu. This is prem. This mamata possessiveness is prem. Prem is nothing else. Prema is this. You should always remember. Actually, you already have everything. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhaka Bunaya. You already have that with you. You have prem. But now you just need to, by hearing and chanting, slowly you need to manifest it. There's no need to do anything else. So by chanting katha, hearing katha, your heart will melt. Then at that time, this bhav will come in your heart. Any desire to serve in any rasa will come. Whether it's dasya, sakya, vatsalya, madhurja. In one or another, it will come. Look at the state of the trees of Vrindavan. They're so eager to serve Krishna. So when Krishna is entering Vrindavan, first with their leaves, the trees, they fan Krishna. Their own leaves of the trees. The trees are using for fanning Krishna. They are moving the leaves like for fanning Krishna. And the creepers, like a chamar also, start to move and shake like a chamar. Like welcoming Krishna. Krishna is coming. Not only that, Vishwanath Chakravarti also describes that the branches of the trees, the branches of the tree, they start to rub with each other and some sound is coming. Just like when a king, an emperor is coming, after conquering all the countries, the emperor is coming back. When he comes back to his own country, the emperor, all the subjects, they make a victory celebration for him. So Vijay Utsav, celebration of victory.
उस समय क्या करते हैं?
So at that
पंपेट
moment,
बजाते, पंपेट
they
जानते हो?
played the
ट्रम्पेट।
trumpets. You know,
हैं?
bam, bam,
मैंने
bam.
सबको सूचित करते
So
हैं
to announce to
राजा
everyone,
राज महाराज
to tell to everyone,
समस्त
the
देशों
emperor
में
is coming back
विजय
after
करके
conquering all the countries.
पधार रहे हैं।
He's coming back.
पहले
Before in the ancient times,
राजाओं की ऐसे
the kings were,
रीतियां थी।
these rituals were there
बड़े
for the
बड़े
kings.
राजा लोग
The great kings,
हैं, समस्त छोटे छोटे राजाओं की जो है
when they used to conquer
पराभूत
small
करके उनके
kingdoms
अधीन करके
and make them their
हैं, अपने
subordinates,
देश में जब आते
and when he used to come back to his own country,
तब उनकी प्रजाएं लोग जो है
then
उनके
the
लिए कैसे
subjects
स्वागत
would
आदि करते।
welcome
उसी
that king.
प्रकार गोविंद जब
So in the
वृंदावन
same
में
way, when
पधारते
Govinda
हैं
is entering
वृंदावन
Vrindavan,
के वृक्ष आदि भी
the trees of Vrindavan
गोविंद के लिए
also,
उसी प्रकार
they
हैं, स्वागत करते हैं।
welcome
पंपेट
Krishna,
बजाते थे।
playing the
गोविंद
trumpets.
पधार रहे हैं।
Krishna is coming.
हैं? पत्ताएं पत्ताएं जो है
So the
अपने आप
leaves
हिलना शुरू कर देता है हवा
automatically start to move like fanning.
लताएं जो है
Creepers,
अपने
the
आप
creepers
हिलने लगे मानो
also automatically start to
चामर
move
का
like a chamara.
वृक्ष के पुष्प
The flowers
आदि
of the
गोविंद के
trees
चरण में अपने आप
automatically they
समाहित
fall at the feet of Krishna.
फल आदि गोविंद के सामने आ जाते हैं।
The fruits also are just taking in front of Krishna.
गोविंद के लिए सब कुछ देते हैं।
Everything they give to Krishna.
तो मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य इतना ही है
What I want to say is that
कृष्ण वृंदावन में जो भी प्रेम प्रदान किया
whatever Prem Krishna has given in Vrindavan was only inside Vrindavan,
है,
not
किंतु
outside.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave Prem.
अत उदार अति
He's
उदार
so
चैतन्य
merciful,
महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu.
वृंदावन के अंदर बाहर
He
सर्वत्र
gave
प्रेम
inside,
प्रदान।
outside Vrindavan, everywhere.
क्या क्या जंगल में झाड़ीखंड
Even in the
झारखंड
jungle,
के जंगल जो
you know,
है,
Jarikanda forest,
है, जहाँ पर गंभीर जंगल है शेर भालू आदि रहते हैं
like deep
हाथी आदि रहते
deep jungle, so many
सांप, बंदर आदि
elephants, monkeys,
महाप्रभु वहाँ
snakes,
पर भी
lions there. But still, even in the jungle, Mahaprabhu gave Prem.
है, वहाँ पर सर्वत्र देते जा रहे
Mahaprabhu gave Prem everywhere.
हैं। सब जीवों के देते जा रहे
He gave to all the
वृंदावन
jivas
के अंदर बाहर
inside
सर्वत्र।
Vrindavan, outside,
महाप्रभु
everywhere.
जब विशेष करके दक्षिण देश
Especially
में
when
जब
Mahaprabhu
पधारे,
went to the South India,
है, चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
सबको प्रेम प्रदान
he gave Prem to everyone.
है, सबको प्रेम रूपी बाढ़ में मानो
He actually dove everyone in the, drowned everyone in the flood of
ये
divine
तो
love.
महाप्रभु की विशेष महावदन
This is the, actually Mahavadanya, the great magnanimity of Mahaprabhu is this.
कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे नमः। वो स्वयं कृष्ण ही
Krishna
गौर
himself,
वर्ण धारण करके
he
गौरतिसे,
manifests as
गौर वर्ण धारण
Gaura
करके ही
and golden complexion,
प्रकट होना प्रकट हुए।
and he appears now.
गौर वर्ण माने राधा जी
Gaura
की
Varna means Krishna has the bodily effulgence of Srimati Radhika
माने
and the
साक्षात
Kanti.
राधा जी ही कृष्ण के
Srimati
अंगों की
Radhika,
चारों तरफ क्या कर दिया?
Srimati Radhika, she covered actually the Krishna's whole body.
इसलिए कहा जाता है अंतर कृष्ण बहिर्गो।
This is called Anta Krishna Bahir Gaura. Inside he is Krishna himself.
चैतन्य महापुरुष कृष्ण ही है।
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna,
बहिर्गौर
but Bahir Gaura.
और बहिर्गौर माने गौर वर्ण
Bahir
है।
Gaura means
स्वयं राधा जी
this
ही
golden complexion is actually Srimati Radhika herself.
कृष्ण के अंग की चारों तरफ अपने आप क्या कर दिया?
She is automatically covering all the body of Krishna.
इसलिए कहते हैं अंतर कृष्ण बहिर्गौर। और वही चैतन्य महाप्रभु
This Chaitanya
सबको प्रेम
Mahaprabhu
प्रदान कर रहे हैं।
is giving Prem to
यदि हम
everyone.
सूक्ष्म में विचार करें
If
बात
you
को,
analyze in a
कौन
subtle
दे
way,
रहा है?
who is actually giving Prem?
कृष्ण नहीं दे रहा है,
It's not
राधा
Krishna, it's actually Srimati Radhika who is giving the Prem.
जी है। परम करुणामयी श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika is super
जीवों
merciful,
की ऐसे दुख कष्ट
seeing the
देख
suffering of the
करके
living entities.
वह प्रेम प्रदान कर रहे हैं।
She is giving Prem.
तो इसलिए कहते हैं जे अनर्पित चरिंग चिरात करुण्या अवतीर्ण कलो समर्पयतु उन्नत उज्ज्वल रसम सभक्ति श्रियम हरि प्रणसम नदति कदम संधीर्पित सदा हृदय कंदरे स्मरतु वह सचिनंदन। इसलिए रूप गोस्वामी पाद विदग्ध माधव
Goswami in the Vidagdha Madhava Natkam,
इस श्लोक के वर्णन कर
he told this verse, explaining this verse, Anarpita Charing Chirat,
चिरकाल इस प्रेम को नहीं
something which
देते।
had never been given before for a long
एक
time.
दिन में
He comes only once in a day of Brahma.
ब्रह्मा के एक दिन में
means after 1000 Chaturyugas, rotation of Satatrita Dwapara Kali, 1000 times this rotation. After this, then, okay, Satatrita Dwapara Kali. In the end of Kali, in the end of Dwapara, Krishna comes, and as soon as Dwapara Yuga finishes, Kali Yuga starts. And that same Krishna comes back in the form of Shachanandana Gaurahari. Karunaya means mercifully he is come. No, he's not coming in all the Kali Yugas. This Kali Yuga, therefore, is called Dhanya Kali, blessed Kali Yuga, because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come. And there's no feet to ride in the boat of Mahaprabhu. He's taking everyone, he's crossing everyone in this ocean of material existence. This poem is so beautiful, this song. Mahaprabhu is giving prem to everyone. If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wouldn't have appeared in this Kali Yuga, this topmost expression of the prema of Srimati Radhika, this limitless limit of love, who would know? Who would manifest that? Topmost limit of love. What is it? Madanaka Mahabhav is the last limit of love. Topmost limit of Madanaka Mahabhav. Like Bhavala Sarati is manifesting so many other things also. Then Mahaprabhu, what did he do? He manifested everything, put everything to light. Put to light? Like he brought to light, the topmost limit of Srimati Radhika's love. Mahaprabhu showed this. And through Rupa Goswami, he gave all this to the world, manifested through Srila Rupa Goswami. Because actually Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his moods in the heart of Rupa Goswami. You know, Sanchar means he's like manifested or stimulated all his moods in the heart of Rupa Goswami. So the first sloka of Srimad Bhagavata, what is it?
तेने ब्रह्म हृदय आदि कवि मुच्चन्ति जत सूर्यो आदि कवि कौन है? ब्रह्मा जी के हृदय में स्वयं नारायण सारे तत्व को प्रकाश करते हैं.
So Bhagavan manifested all the thoughts in the heart of
चैतन्य महाप्रभु. सारे तत्व के आदि कवि कौन है?
So Narayana manifested all the thoughts in the heart of Brahma. And Adi Kavi can be also Rupa Goswami, because Mahaprabhu manifested everything in the heart of Rupa Goswami. Mahaprabhu manifested all the tattvas in the heart of Rupa Goswami. If Srila Rupa Goswami Pad would not have manifested, so this bhav wouldn't be manifested as well. That's why Jankali Rupa Sharirana Bharat. This song is saying. If Rupa Goswami would not have come, who would manifest all this prema? Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. People of this world, they know about Vaidhi Bhakti, they know about Vaikuntha Bhakti. But the Prema Bhakti of Vraj, very few people know about it. Also, a special thing also. The Brajavasis are Ragatmik Jan. They have this wealth of love in their heart. Who knows about it? Who is called a Vrajavasi? People, until nowadays, they don't know who is a Vrajavasi, an actual Vrajavasi. They think, oh, who stays in Vraj, they are Vrajavasis, period. But this is also true. But actually, who is an actual Vrajavasi? Because the pigs also live in Vraj. They live as well isn't it? Pigs, hogs.
जेब कतरी भी रहता है.
Those who steal, also pickpocketers, also those who kill cows, and they also call themselves Brajbasis. But who is Brajabasi and what is Brajabas? We must know about it. Mahaprabhu showed all this. Who is Ragatmik Jan?
वास्तव रूप में वो ब्रजवासी है.
Ragatmika Jan, he is an actual Brajavasi.
इष्टे सारसिक राग परम आविष्टता भवित. इष्टे सारसिक राग परम आविष्टता तन्मय तो भवित रागात्मिका कनिका. रागात्मिका अनुस्थिता जैसा रागानुग उच्चते विराजन्ति उद्दक्तम ब्रजवासी जनादिषु. ब्रजवासी जो है कृष्ण के नित्य परिकर है.
The Brajavasi are the eternal associates of Krishna.
कृष्ण के नित्य परिकर है. वो कोई जीव तत्व नहीं है.
They are not Jiva Tata.
जैसे नंद जसोदा,
For example, Nanda and Jashoda, Subal Sridham,
राधा ललिता विजय,
Radha Lalita
ये
Vishaka.
जीव तत्व नहीं है.
They are not Jiva Tata. They are all Parikar Tata.
स्वरूप शक्ति की मूर्त प्रकाशमान का है.
They are the embodiment of Swarupa Shakti.
कृष्ण सेवा के एक
And they are
प्रेममयी मूर्ति धारण किया.
the embodiment of the Prem to serve Krishna in different rasas. For example, Nanda Maharaj.
सेवा की वात्सल्य मूर्ति की
He is the Vatsalya Murti, Premamai Murti. He is the embodiment of the love of Vatsalya Rasa towards Krishna.
नंद जसोदा
Subal Sridham, Nanda Jashoda.
कृष्ण के नित्य परिकर.
They are the eternal associates of Krishna.
परिकर तत्व जीव तत्व एक नहीं है.
Parikar Tata and Jiva Tata is not the same.
ये समझना चाहिए.
You should understand
लोग
that.
इसके समझते ही नहीं.
People don't understand these
समझने
things,
के लिए प्रयास करते हैं.
and they also don't try to understand it.
गणगड्डालिका के बाद ही दूर से जाते हैं.
Like following like blind sheep. And they think, oh, everyone's a Brajavasi, and that's it.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं इष्टे सारसिक राग परम आविष्टता अपने एक स्थायी भाव के द्वारा वो स्थिर करके
So they are fixed with one Sthai Bhav.
जैसे नंद महाराज.
For example, Nanda
स्थायी
Maharaj.
भाव क्या है?
What is his Sthai Bhav? Vatsalya Rasa.
कृष्ण मेरा पुत्र है.
Krishna is my son.
इस भाव में वो डूबे हुए.
He is immersed in this mood. Others can say anything. Like Uddhava spent the whole night, he spent the whole night giving a long lecture to Nanda
सारी
Maharaj.
कथा सुनाया.
He told him all the katha, all the tata, everything.
ये कृष्ण भगवान है.
Krishna is Bhagavan, he said.
उद्धव क्या कहना
Uddhava
चाहते हैं?
wanted to say
ये कृष्ण भगवान है.
that Krishna is Bhagavan. He wanted to say
ज्ञानी
this.
लोग हैं कि नहीं
The
है?
Jnans,
ज्ञान
they
के
think
द्वारा
this.
क्या स्थापना करते हैं?
And by the Gyan, they want to establish
भगवान
that
भगवत्ता स्थापित करते हैं.
God is God, like Bhagavan.
उद्धव
Supreme.
सारी रात नंद महाराज
So
के कहने
Uddhava
लगे.
was telling the whole night these things to Nanda Maharaj.
ये कृष्ण भगवान है. भगवान के कोई
Krishna
माता
is
नौ
Bhagavan.
पिता नौ माता नौ
Bhagavan has
पिता.
no mother, no father.
जो भगवान के कोई माता पिता थोड़ी होते हैं.
No one can be the parents of Bhagavan.
वो तो केवल आपके पुत्र के रूप में स्वीकार करके आए हैं.
Actually, he just
ज्ञान के द्वारा
decided
अपना
to be your son, accepted to come as your son.
किंतु नंद महाराज के जो स्थायी भाव
But
जो
the
वास्तविक
Sthai Bhav of Nanda
कृष्ण मेरा
Maharaj thinks Krishna is my son.
है. ये गाढ़ संस्कार deep
So he has a
impression
Gara Samskar,
in
deep
the mind
impression.
of नंद महाराज.
This is Airtel.
कुछ भी करे कृष्ण मेरा क्या है? पुत्र
So he
है.
thinks Krishna
कुछ
is
करे
my
कर-
son.
कर-
Whatever you want to say, you say. But
आपके मैं कहा दूं ये तुम्हारे बेटा नहीं है. क्या आप मान लोगे?
if I say he's not your son, will you believe it?
आपने कहते नहीं इस बेटा को तो मैंने गर्भ धारण किया, मैंने
You
जन्म दिया,
say,
मैंने
what?
पालन पोषण
I
किया.
gave birth to this baby. I took care of him. I raised him, brought him up.
DNA में ना किया बोले वो भी टेस्ट कर लेना.
Even I did
तो कैसे
DNA
तुम कह रहे
test,
हैं मेरा पुत्र
and it's
नहीं है?
confirmed in the DNA genetics that he's my son. How is it possible you're saying that he's
हजारों
not my son?
समझाए.
Even
क्या
1,000
मान लोगे?
times you'll try to say the opposite. You will never believe that person is not your son.
जगत में माता-पिता में
In this
एक
material
भी
world,
ऐसे भी
the parents also,
जड़
they have
संस्कार भी है.
this is a material samskar, material impression is very strong. You can 1,000 times say the person is not your son, they will not believe.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same
दृष्टांत
way,
दे रहे हैं.
it's an
उद्धव
example.
ज्ञान के द्वारा
But Uddhav, with his Gyan,
नंद महाराज के समझाने के लिए प्रयास किया.
he was trying to make Nanda Maharaj
इतना ही तो
understand.
करने लगे. उद्धव ये महाराज आप क्यों रो रहे हैं?
Maharaj, why are you crying?
क्योंकि हम किसी को समझाना है तो ज्ञान की तरह समझाते हैं।
Because if you try to make someone understand, it will be with the use of the knowledge. For example, oh, he's your son for how long?
ये केवल तुम्हारे माया मोह है।
This is only your illusions and attachments.
इस जन्म के तुम्हारी पुत्रता है।
He's the son, your son only in this life. But after the death, he will not remain your son.
जीवों की शरीर त्याग देने के
When the jivas give up their body, immediately all their relationships
नष्ट हो जाता है।
are destroyed.
बताइए। अच्छा, ये तो है।
Okay, this is true.
नंद जसोदा की जो भावना जो है,
The mood of Nanda Jashoda,
ये गाढ़ संस्कार है इसमें।
they have this
और
strong
दूसरी बात है,
impression.
कृष्ण के नित्य माता पिता ही हो।
And also they are the eternal parents of Krishna.
नंद जसोदा कृष्ण की क्या है?
Nanda and Jashoda, they are the eternal parents of Krishna.
तो लीला कई बार।
They are performing pastimes like a human being.
उद्धव जी सारी रात
So Uddhava was whole night, during the whole night, telling all the kathas to Nanda Maharaj.
वेद वेदांत उपनिषद आदि
About
सारी
Veda, Purana, all these tattwas, philosophies. But Nanda Maharaj was not ready to accept all that.
तो उद्धव अंत में कहने लगे,
And then
देखो
Uddhava
आप
said,
एक
look,
स्थान पे बैठे हो,
you're sitting in one
इसलिए
place
उसके
here,
चिंतन करते हो,
so
इसलिए
that's why you're always thinking
आपके
about the
मन
same things.
डिप्रेशन हो।
That's why you're feeling this depression in your mind. Let's go for a walk.
अच्छा, नंद महाराज ने क्या कहा?
Then Nanda Maharaj told,
हे उद्धव,
hey Uddhav,
हम घर के बाहर कहीं भी जाए,
wherever I go outside my house,
हमारी पुत्र की सारी
I only
स्मृतियां
see
अपने आप
all
हृदय
the
में आ जाती हैं।
all the remembrance I have for my son automatically come in my heart. Everything I see reminds me of Krishna.
यमुना के तट पर जाए,
If I go to the banks of the Jamuna, I will see
अभी तो कृष्ण की
that until now, the small footprints of Krishna are still there.
ध्वज वज्र अंकुश
And his footprints has the symbol, 19 symbols, the symbol of flag, ankush, elephant gold, gold,
और वो समस्त स्मृतियां आ
elephant
जाती
gold.
हैं। ऐसे कहकर के
Anyway,
नंद महाराज
so all these remembrances I feel when I saw Nanda Maharaj was saying this, and he started crying just like a boy, like a baby boy, like a small
उद्धव
baby.
देख करके आश्चर्य हो।
Uddhava saw this and became surprised and
संसार
amazed.
के लोग तो रोते हैं,
Yeah, the people of this world they cry, this is true, because of their mother, father, brothers, family. But someone called crying for Bhagavan,
ये अवतरण
and this is amazing.
है। भगवान के लिए
Amazing.
कोई रोता है?
Does anyone cry for Lord?
कौन रोएगा?
Who
हाथ
will cry for him? Raise your hand.
है?
No one.
भगवान के लिए नहीं रोते
Who don't cry for Lord.
हैं? किंतु नंद महाराज, उद्धव ने देखा नंद महाराज
But
कैसे
he's saying,
कैसे रो रहे हैं,
how Krishna is crying.
हैं? किंतु कारण क्या है?
What is the reason?
ना ये स्थायी भावना है।
Sai Bhav is
जो मैं
there.
जो ब्रजवासी जो गा रहे
So I
हैं,
told about
जी
Brajavasi.
ब्रजवासी कहते हैं इष्टे सारसिक राघव परम अभिष्ट। दो वस्तु यहाँ हैं।
Two things.
अपने स्थायी भाव में वो स्थित रहता है।
Fixed in this Sai Bhav,
फिक्स्ड इज मोड,
the fixed mood.
स्थायी भाव में रहता है। नंद जसोदा
Nanda and Jashoda. All the Brajavasis, they are always fixed in their own mood.
पुत्र है, तुम जो कुछ
Krishna
बोलो
is
बोलो।
my son. Whatever I want to say, just say it, but Krishna is my son.
और दूसरी क्या है?
Another point,
इष्टे सारसिक परम अभिष्टता भाव। दूसरी लक्षण क्या है?
and then another symptom,
ब्रजवासी की दूसरी लक्षण क्या बताओ? अभिष्ट
they are always absorbed, abhishta.
है।
अभिष्ट।
कृष्ण नाम रूप गुण लीला आदि
In
में
the
अभिष्ट
pastimes of Krishna, his pastimes, his form,
खाने में बैठने में सुन
when they sit, when they walk, when they
गोविंद
eat.
छोड़कर
The Brajavasis, they only think about Krishna, nothing else.
वृक्षै क्षणार्धो रुदितो क्षणमार्जनादो गायन्ति चैनो अनुरक्त धियो अश्रु कंठो। देखो सही पाठकार है।
Shukadeva Goswami told in this verse, hey Maharaj Prakrit, listen.
ब्रजवासी लोग जब
When the Brajavasis, they
गृह कर्म आदि करते हैं,
are performing their household duties,
जानवर गोद और
when they milk the cows,
दूध काट रहे हैं,
they are milking the cows,
अथवा
Jadohani,
आंगन के
और
जब गोबर आदि के
clean
द्वारा
the courtyards with cow dung
जो
and
भी
water.
कार्य आदि कर रहे हैं,
Whatever
क्या
they do,
करते हैं?
they are always singing.
ददामो धर्माधवेति गोविंद नामो धर्माधवेति गोविंद नामो धर्माधवेति प्रेक्षाय चनागो रुदितो छनमार्जनादु गायन्ति चैनो उरुरक्त धियोसुरुकण्ठ धन्ना ब्रजस्त्रियो उरुक्रम चित्तजान। ब्रजवासियों के चित्त मन,
the heart, the mind of the Vrajavasis are always immersed in Urukrama Bhagavan, completely immersed in him.
उरुक्रम चित्तजान।
Urukram means the name of Krishna.
उरुक्रमयति इति
Urukram.
जिसके
Urukram means his feet
सर्ग आदि की भी
even took over Swarga, measures into Swargaloka.
उरुक्रमयति उरु माने
Uru means thigh. Thigh
बच्चरण
or feet also.
विक्रम रूप धारण करके
Bikram means manifested gigantic form and measures everything.
भगवान की चरण कमल के जिम्मे वामन अवतार में उन्होंने क्या किया?
In the Vaman avatar,
ऐसे विशाल
Bhagavan manifested gigantic legs and feet.
और जिसके द्वारा
And with this,
सभी लोग या भगवान की चरण कमल के
when Bhagavan,
ऊपर
his feet went up, his foot
ब्रह्मा
went
आदि
up.
देवता लोग भी उस चरण को क्या
Brahma and demigods, they
धो करके
washed the foot
कमंडल के जल के द्वारा उसके
and kept the water in his kamandala.
जम्बुवान की कथा आ जाता है वो तो
The story of Jambuvan.
उसके क्या
He even did 7 times parikrama around the foot of Bhagavan at that time. Jambuvan. Jambuvan, that bear.
उसकी कथा उरुक्रमयति उरु माने जिसकी
Uru
क्रम
means Urukram means his foot manifested a gigantic form, very powerful.
अथवा उरुक्रमयति अनेक प्रकार का अक्षर
Many meanings for Urukram.
वृंदावन में चलते
When Bhagavan walks in Vrindavan,
बड़े देवता लोग उस
Brahman and many demigods also,
छाप को देख करके
they see the footprints of Krishna
उसे स्तव स्तुति
and they
आदि
perform many prayers to his footprints, doing arati even
है भगवान की
to the feet of Krishna. So beautiful.
जिसमें ध्वज वज्र अंकुश
There are some symbols in the feet of Krishna, like for example Dhwaj, flag, Ankush, elephant goat.
ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े बड़े देवता लोग
Even Brahma and great demigods,
आरती
they do arati to his lotus feet, lotus footprints. Feet.
जिस चरण कमल के लक्ष्मी आदि
Even Lakshmi Devi,
सती साधी
who is a chaste wife and lady, she's serving his lotus feet.
आजाद भी रक्त काम उद्धव ही तो करे
Uddhava is saying this.
आजाद भी रक्त काम जो के शरीर रास महागुष्ठम रास रूपी महागुष्ठ में
In the Ras Leela,
और वह समस्त गोपियां कृष्ण के चरण
all
कमल
these
के
gopis,
कैसे सेवा
they serve the lotus feet of Krishna.
तनेषु विजृंभ प्रतिप्रतिरु
So much.
कामतापम ये समस्त बहुत कुछ वर्णन किया
So much is described. It's not ordinary things. These are not ordinary things.
तो कहने की तात्पर्य है
What I want to say is
नंद
that
महाराज
Nanda Maharaj,
स्थाई भाव किसमें
his Thai Bhav is
वो
in
ब्रजवासी
Vatsalaras. He is a Vrajavasi.
है वो ब्रजवासी हम जो कर स्टेज सारसिक राग और परम अभिष्टता हुए परम अभिष्ट होकर राग किसमें
He is always absorbed in the name of Govinda,
रूप माधुर्य
in the form of Govinda.
गोविंद छोड़कर उनके मुख से कुछ शब्द निकलते ही नहीं
No another word comes from his mouth except Govinda.
बद्ध जी को क्या उल्टा होता है
For the conditioned souls, it's
भगवत नाम
opposite.
नहीं निकलता है और सब निकलता है
Holy names are not coming from our mouth. Anything else is coming from our mouth, but not the names of Bhagavan.
इसलिए कहते हैं गोविंद इसलिए कहते हैं बलिष्ठे सारसिक रागो परम अभिष्टता भवित तन्मय दशा भवित सा रागात्मिका भविता रागात्मिका अनुसिता सा रागानिका उच्चते ऐसे जो रागात्मिक जन नित्य सिद्ध ब्रजवासी
The Nityasiddha
उनके
Vrajavasis,
अनुगत्य करके वो भाव की किरण को प्राप्ति करने के लिए जो साधन
those who are doing sadhan under their guidance to attain one rays of their mood is called Raganuga Sadhak.
हम नंद जसोदा नहीं बन सकते
We can never become Nanda or Jashoda, isn't it?
तो नंद जसोदा की भाव की एक किरण का
But
हमारी
one
हृदय में
drop of particle of the bhav of Nanda
राधा
Jashoda
हम नहीं बन सकते
can come in our heart, this Vatsalya Bhav.
वो अंश
cannot become gopi or like Radhika. Sorry, Radha or Lalita. This is Ahangraha Upasana. Those who think they are Lalita or Radhika, this is called Ahangraha Upasana. It's actually a Mayavad thing, becoming personalism. It's rejectable. I have to serve Srimati Radhika under the guidance. This is the goal for the jivas. So what I want to say is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving prem. He's not an ordinary person. He's not giving ordinary things. He's directly relishing this. When you cook, you taste a little bit to see if it's good or not. Is it too much salty or less salty? You have to check. I just cook anything and give to the deity. The deity is not your servant to accept anything you do. The servant is like, okay, whatever, eat anything, you give to the servant anything, but the deity is not your servant. The deity is not your servant. You have to serve nicely the deity. So Mahaprabhu, he's relishing and then giving to others. Oh, look how tasty it is. He's tasting it and also giving to others. He's giving a little bit to the jivas also. Actually, the jivas cannot relish Radha Prem. Imagine one small ant. Imagine there's some sweet rice in the floor. Sorry, in a pot. There's a sweet rice. There's some sweet rice. How much an ant can eat? Even one drop of the sweet rice. Thousands ants can eat only one drop of sweet rice. Isn't it? And even they cannot finish with one drop. So Radha Prem is like this. Mahaprabhu himself is relishing Radha Prem. And some drops, drops are falling. A little bit. He's giving to the jivas. What is it? This is called Manjari Bhav. Look how tasty. He's tasting himself. Himself is tasting. He's giving to the jivas. Swabhakti. He's giving this Unata Ujjvala Rasa Bhava Madhurya. He's giving what? One drop. How much an ant can eat? Even half drop is already enough. His belly is full, half drop. So the jivas also, how much they can take. Mahaprabhu is giving. Shashanandana Gaur is giving the prem to everyone. He's not giving ordinary things. Actually, Mahaprabhu is giving Manjari Bhav, topmost prem he's giving. But people don't know. If you give a topmost treasure to someone and the person doesn't even understand the value of that, the person will throw away. The person doesn't know the value of that treasure. You should have knowledge about the thing. If you have knowledge about that thing, you can honor, because you know the value. If you don't know about something, you don't give value. So you must have. That's why jnana. Knowledge is important. In the Chatusloki Bhagavatam, 4 main shlokas of the Bhagavatam, Krishna, Narayana, is telling Brahmaji, I want to give you. Will you accept what I want to give you? I want to give you.
वस्तु के जब तक ज्ञान नहीं हो,
if you don't have knowledge about
वस्तु की
something,
महिमा आप समझ नहीं
you
पाते।
cannot understand the glories of that thing.
एक महामूल्य, क्या
One,
बोले, महामूल्य
imagine one valuable,
वेरी वैल्यूएबल
very valuable
एक रत्न के आपको दे दिया जाए, यदि इसको ज्ञान नहीं
jewel.
है,
If I give to you, you don't know the value of the jewel. You're thinking just a normal stone, like a regular any stone.
इसलिए श्लोक आ रहे हैं,
So this
चिंता
look is coming.
लोक सुखम
Chintamani lokasukam.
रत्रु है, क्या सर्ग संपदम प्रजच्छते गुरु प्रीते है, वैकुंठ विजोगी दुर्लभम। श्रीमद् इसमें वर्णन है, इस जगत में
In this world,
क्या बोला, श्लोक बोला,
Chintamani lokasukam.
चिंतामणि लोक सुखम। इस जगत में किसके चिंतामणि प्राप्ति हो
If
जाए,
someone gets a Chintamani in this world, touchstone,
उसे लोक सुख पाते
sorry,
हैं।
desire stone,
क्या बोले, लोहे के स्पर्श करा करके वो सोना प्राप्ति हो जाता
sorry, the touchstone, yeah, you touch in the iron and it becomes gold.
है।
So you get material things from it,
अल्प
gold.
वृक्ष के द्वारा स्वर्ग आदि सुख भोग प्राप्त हो
And people also by the desired tree,
जाता
maybe they attain
गुरु प्रीति
the happiness of Swargalok.
प्रसन्न हो जाता
But if the Guru is pleased,
जिज्ञाम भी
he'll attain something which is so rare even for yogis, Vaikuntha Dham. You can get by pleasing the Guru.
यहाँ पर वैकुंठ कहने से
When you say Vaikuntha here in this verse,
वृंदावन की समझना चाहिए।
you should understand it's like Loka Vrindavan actually.
हाँ सर,
Understand?
हम उसके महिमा नहीं जानते।
We don't know the glories of it.
एक श्लोक याद करो,
Remember one verse only. Memorize one verse. Chintamani
क्या
Loka.
बोला,
What did I say?
चिंतामणि लोक सुखम
Chintamani Loka Sukam.
और शरद रूप
Then,
अल्प वृक्ष, सर्ग संपदा के प्राप्त हो जाते हैं।
by the desired tree, you can get the Swarga Lok, Swarga happiness. But if the Guru is pleased with you,
बाद में प्रसन्न हो जाता है,
Guru becomes pleased.
है, वैकुंठ
You
जगन्नाथ
attain even what is rare for the yogis. You will attain to Vaikuntha Dham. Something which is so rare
आदि के द्वारा,
for the yogis. The yogis with so much austerities, they cannot even attain this.
किंतु गुरु बाद में प्रसन्न होने से प्राप्त
But Guru becomes pleased, then you can attain anything.
कुछ भी भजन साधन
Actually, whatever bhajan and sadhan,
रीढ़ क्या है,
like the backbone of our spiritual life, of bhajan and sadhan is what?
गुरुदेव प्रसन्न हो जाएगा। और
Would
कोई
they
होना
be
हुआ
pleased?
देखना नहीं।
If others are not, you don't need to see.
भजन शुद्ध गुरु
If others are pleased or not, is not, no.
वैकुंठ जगन्नाथ भी दुर्लभ
The thing is, Guru is pleased or not.
क्योंकि वो दुर्लभ हो सकता है। अनेक जन्म कठोर
After many births or hard,
ज्ञान क्या होता
what time is it? Sorry.
है, आरती हो रही है।
Heart is going on.
अनेक जन्म की कठोर
Okay.
तपस्या आदि के
Many years
द्वारा
of strong austerities, hard
जब
austerities,
चित्त निर्मल होता है,
then your heart becomes pure.
अनेक जन्म पर साधन भजन
After
आदि
many
करके
births of the
तब चित्त
austerity,
निर्मल
your heart
होता है।
becomes pure. After many births of sadhana and bhajan, your heart becomes pure. Then sometimes it becomes pure, sometimes not.
तो क्या बोले? हस्ती गंगा स्नान की
And
बात।
sometimes it's just like Hasti Ganga Snan, you know, the elephant
हाथी जैसे गंगा में
bath,
स्नान कर लेते हैं,
bath in the Ganges.
गंगा जल के द्वारा।
The elephant is bathing
है, सूढ़ों के द्वारा
with his trunk in the water of the Ganges.
और तट पर आकर के क्या करते हैं? फिर वो
And then after the elephant finishes his bath, he goes to the bank of the
सूढ़ों के द्वारा लेकर के
Ganges, takes all that sand from the Ganges, and with his trunk again throws all the sand all over his body again.
यथा
So this is called
हस्ती गंगा स्नान।
Hasti Ganga Snan,
लाभ कुछ नहीं।
the bath in the Ganges of an elephant. No fruit, no
भजन
benefit.
साधन की हमें इसके पर ध्यान देना चाहिए।
You have to give attention to the bhajan and sadhana.
ये कैसे हम भजन साधन,
How we have to do the sadhana and bhajan.
एक ही बस जीवन में एक
In
लक्ष्य
your
रखो।
life, you should have only one goal in your life:
परमात्मा की प्रसन्नता।
how to please the Guru. Padma.
और कोई प्रसन्न हो
If
नहीं
others
हो,
are
हमें
pleased or
लक्ष्य
not,
नहीं।
this is not my. I'm not. This is not
गुरुदेव प्रसन्न हो जाए सब कुछ
my goal. But if Gurudeva is pleased, I can get everything.
उसके हमें ध्यान देना
I just need to give attention to this.
है। हाँ, समझ।
Understand?
इस संसार के लोग प्रसन्न होकर के
If
आपको
the
क्या
people of
देंगे?
this world will be happy with you, then what they will give you?
थोड़ा बहुत हैं? शाबाश देते हैं, वाह, बढ़िया बढ़िया।
Some, oh yeah, very nice, very nice. Give you some appreciation. So we are comparing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna. When Krishna gave prem, Krishna also gave prem where? Inside Vrindavan. He gave prem to the trees and creepers. And the trees and creepers became intoxicated with Krishna prem. The Venugita is all described. The cows, the calves, the trees, the creepers, whatever, like all in Vrindavan, they were completely intoxicated by Krishna prem. The bumblebee also was intoxicated by Krishna prem. All of them. But only inside Vrindavan.
वो समझते क्या है कृष्ण के नित्य परिकर है वृंदावन की वृक्ष लता आदि जो कुछ भी वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं
actually all these creepers trees of Vrindavan, they are eternal associates of Krishna. They are not jivas.
वास्तव में सब स्वरूप शक्ति की मूर्तमान
प्रकाश का personification of Sarupa Shakti. We are already associated with Krishna. Nijajan. Suppose you're making a party in your house. You're celebrating the birthday of your son. But who you invited? All your family members. You fed to whom? Your own family members, not outsiders. Understand? So this glory is like you are generous with your family members only, their own. But Mahaprabhu is giving to everyone. One person earns money and takes care of his whole family. Another person earns his money and eats himself, like only sustains his own life. Who is higher or better? One who earns and also takes care of others. He is more glorious. Understand? Mahaprabhu, what did he do? Whatever prem that Krishna gave was only inside Vrindavan to his own associates and dear ones. Understand? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, inside Vrindavan, outside, wherever he used to go, gave prem. So you see the speciality of the great merciful, the magnanimity of Mahaprabhu. He gave to everyone. Even to the offenders, Mahaprabhu also gave prem to them. Like Jagai Madai, also Mahaprabhu gave them. Those who are suffering, those who are sinners, Mahaprabhu delivered everyone. One special thing about Mahaprabhu is that he didn't use any weapons. In other incarnations like Ram Avatar, Krishna used weapons. Ram had killed many demons, like Tarakasur, Taraka. Many demons. Ramachandra killed many demons. Krishna also killed Agasur, Bakasur, and also outside Vrindavan, many other demons also he killed. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu didn't kill anyone. And also didn't use any weapons. Mahaprabhu gave Harinam and purified everyone with full names.
The next time we can change another.
By full name is Mahaprabhu, cleans the heart of everyone. Mahaprabhu didn't kill anyone. He just purified everyone's heart. Just sometimes giving darshan, sometimes touching the person. In these many ways, he purified the heart. Come, everyone. He made everyone crazy, like he maddened everyone in Krishna prem. Mahaprabhu made everyone mad. That's why Advaita Acharya wrote a letter to Mahaprabhu. Advaita Acharya wrote a letter to Mahaprabhu. What was written? Aul ke kohilo baul. Baul ke kohilo aul.
सब लोग भैया छे बाउ आटे नाभिका चाव आउल के कोहियो बाउ
Aul ke kohilo baul. So full of words. Aul, baul, chow in this letter. What is the meaning of these words?
Advaita Acharya
actually he wrote like sanket, means he was not directly speaking, like analogy, like speaking about something else but meaning another thing.
Baul ke kohiyo baul.
Baul ke kohiyo baul. He wrote so many words like aul, baul, chow, like crazy, rise. Nobody was understanding. But Sarvabhuta Damodar understood because he knows the mood of Mahaprabhu. Some devotees said, Prabhu, what did Advaita Acharya write? What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Mahaprabhu gave one beautiful example. He said, Advaita Acharya is a Brahmana, right? The Brahmanas are doing the puja. So first they call the deity. Avahan, they call the deity. Agacham. Oh deity, please you come in this asana. In the time of puja people are doing. Please come and sit. So they are calling, invoking. So Mahaprabhu thought, he said, Advaita Acharya is a Brahmana, and you know the Brahmanas, first they call the deity, and after worshipping they send the deity away. Visarjan means go. Puja was done, oh deity, you can go from here. Like go from the murti, go. So what is the meaning? But still people didn't understand what Mahaprabhu said. Actually Advaita Acharya wanted to say, Prabhu, you have come to this world for a meaning, and this is already done. You came here to give Krishna prem. Already everyone got the prem. Everyone's got the prem already. There's no one spare, like left. Everybody's got. So hey Prabhu, please go back to Nitya Goloka Vrindavana Dham. Who called Mahaprabhu? Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya called him. You know, we hear about Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya came in Navadvipa and he saw that Brahmanas were not worshipping. They were not chanting the mantras. They were not reading the mantras of the Vedas. They were only worshipping Kali, Shiva, Durga, and ghosts, Jakshak, Rakshak, doing puja with mantras of ghosts and witches, other things, sacrificing goats. And they were eating the flesh of goats, eating fish, drinking alcohol. No one was doing Bhagavat Bhajan, worshipping God. At least somehow one chant the holy names, at least. No, but they were not doing it. But only immersed in logic, debates, quarreling. So Advaita Acharya was so angry when he saw this. Advaita Acharya thought, I am Mahavishnu himself, I am the creator. And I am also the destroyer, Sadashiv.
Advaita Acharya he is called the combined form of
Advaita Acharya is called the combined form of Mahavishnu and Sadashiv. He is the creator and the destroyer. I am the creator and also the destroyer, so I'll destroy everything. Advaita Acharya is so angry. Then an aerial sound, divine sound came. Advaita Acharya, be patient, the aerial sound told. Very quickly, your Lord, Brajananda Shyamasundar, will appear. So who is higher than Mahavishnu? Is Swayam Brajendranandana Shyamasundar, Krishna. Swayam Rup Tadikatma Rup and Avish. You should know some tata. Swayam Rupa Braje Brajendranandana. Swayam Rup Tadikatma Rup and Avish. Swayam Rup, the original form of God, Brajendranandana Shyamasundar, Krishna. He has expansions, Prabhav and Vaibhav. And also Baladev Prabhu is there. Baladev Prabhu, from him come Mul Sankarshana, Sankarshana, Karanda Kashai, Garbhuda Kashai, Kiroda Kashai. All the tattva is there. So who is the origin of Mahavishnu is Shyamasundara, Shri Krishna. This is the tattva vichar. So Advaita Acharya thought, I am the creator Mahavishnu. Then the aerial voice came, divine voice, and said, Advaita, be patient. Very quickly your Prabhu will come. Advaita Acharya said, but soon means when? Like I said, oh, bring water. You said, I'm bringing, coming. Coming means what? When? Can be at any time. After 1 hour, 2 hours, half an hour, 10 minutes. Isn't it? Advaita Acharya said, no, now, immediately. I have to manifest Mahaprabhu. I have to manifest Krishna. So Advaita Acharya, he took water of the Ganges and tulsi leaf and offered to Govinda. Idam Toyam Tulasi Tubhyam Namaha. I offer water of Ganges and tulsi to Bhagavan. If someone offers tulsi and Ganges water to Bhagavan, Bhagavan cannot stop, check himself like Bhagavan himself, Bhagavan sells himself to the devotee who is doing this. That's why early in the morning after waking up, you have to give water to Tulasi, you must. If you give water to Tulasi, Bhagavan will sell himself to you. If you water the Tulasi plant. Little bit water in your hand. So the Tulasi ko? Yes. To Bhagavan. To the God. Bhagavan ko or Tulasi ko? He said, but that's right, offer to Bhagavan, not. He told you water the Tulasi, no? He said water Tulasi also. He said, another information? Do you have water of the Ganges in your house? Offer in your mind water of the Ganges and Tulasi to Bhagavan in your mind. So offer Tulasi and water of the Ganges to Bhagavan, and he'll say, oh, I'm selling myself to you. So Advaita Acharya did the same. Water of the Ganges, he offered with Tulasi, chanting the holy names. Bhagavan could not check himself, could not, like he came. Is everything okay? Sit down.
महाराज जी जैसे भगवान का जो अवतार होता है तो किसी एक भक्त के लिए मतलब भक्त भी एक स्पेशल होते हैं महाप्रभु के अवतार में वो भक्त श्रीवास है या कोई और है इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बोले।
What is it?
भक्त है
Radha Sundari Devi.
श्रीवास कौन
Radha,
थे?
what is it?
उस दिन तो बताया था श्रीवास जी नारद ऋषि नारद साक्षात नारद जी ही
Who is this special devotee in Mahaprabhu's Leela? Is it
श्रीवास
Srivas?
जी के रूप में प्रकट हुए भक्त अवतारम भक्तत्व नवमी भक्ति कम श्रीवास ठाकुर भक्त है
Srivas is a Bhakta.
इसलिए श्रीवास ठाकुर है कौन नारद ऋषि।
Who is Srivas Thakur? Narada Rishi.
भगवान की सारी लीला में नारद ऋषि की विशेष
Narada Rishi has a special role in all the pastimes of Lord.
है सेवा
Special service in all the
क्या
pastimes.
रामलीला कहे कृष्ण लीला
Whether it's
कहे,
Ram Leela, Krishna Leela,
जो भी लीला में देखे
whatever Leela we see,
नारद जी के सेवा ही प्रधान
the service of Narada is topmost.
नहीं होते
If Narada was not
ये
there,
रामलीला भी प्रकट नहीं होता।
even the pastimes of Ram wouldn't manifest.
एक बार नारद ऋषि
Once Narada Rishi
शादी करने लगे
was performing hardest heresies,
तो उसको देख करके
seeing
कामदेव आ
this,
गया
Kamadeva came.
हैं? कामदेव आकर के प्रणाम करने लगे
So Kamadeva came, and Cupid did pranam to Narada.
कामदेव
Narada
कहने
opened
में
his eyes.
पराजित हो गया तो
Cupid told Narada,
जीत गया
I was defeated, you
नारद
won.
ऋषि हो गया क्या अहंकार हो गया
You won. And then
मैंने काम को जीत लिया
Narada was so proud. Oh, I've conquered the
बोले
lust.
प्रभु
He came to Bhagavan
मैंने
and
काम
said,
को जीत लिया
Prabhu, I've conquered the lust.
पहले नारद ऋषि अपने पिता ब्रह्मा जी के पास
Sorry, first Narada came to his own father. Brahma said, oh my father, I've conquered the lust. Brahmaji told, hey, crazy, mad, Bhagav. If I even myself I couldn't control the lust, conquer the lust, you think you could do it?
मैं पराजित जीत
But Narada said, oh, Cupid himself came and told that I
नारद जी
defeated
चले
him.
गए किसके पास
Then
शिव जी के
Narada
पास।
came to Shiva after that.
भाई मैं जी बना रही ऐसे
He said, oh, I won. I conquered the lust. And then Shiva said, hey, don't say these things.
माया के नहीं जानते
You don't know the Maya of Lord, huh? You don't know.
ऐसे समुद्र मंथन के समय जब
In the time of the turning
जहर
of
उठा
the
सब
milk
जहर के
ocean,
लिए उस
when the
समय
poison came,
सब भाग गया और जब अमृत उठने
everybody
लगे,
ran away.
उसके
But
लिए
when the
सब
nectar
टपक पड़े।
came, all of them, they were eager
और
to
सब
get.
भगवान मोहिनी रूप
the
धारण
nectar.
करके
So God came as Mohini and he cheated the demons,
उस समय शिव जी नहीं था
and then
शिव
the
जी से कह रहे हैं,
Mohini gave nectar to demigods.
मैं
Shiva
प्रभु
was not
आपको
there at that
मोहिनी
time.
रूप दर्शन करना
Then
चाहता
Shiva told after to Lord, oh, I wanted to see your Mohini form. Bhagavan told,
हूँ। नहीं, नहीं, प्रभु, एक बार
don't
तो
desire
दिखा
to
दो,
see this
कैसे आपके
form.
मोहिनी रूप है।
But Shiva insisted, at least show me once how is your
तो
Mohini
भगवान
form.
जब मोहिनी रूप धारण कर नारद जी उस समय शिव जी देख करके
So at that time,
इतने उन्मत्त
seeing the
हो गए,
beautiful form of
पागल।
Mohini, Shiva became like crazy, really. He started running after
उसकी
her.
लंगोटी कहाँ खोल करके हाथ
Even
से
his
पता है।
languti means his
और फिर
loincloth,
वहीं
like
पर
the
आकर के सब से भगवान जब
lower
प्रकट हुए
cloth
दिख
of
करके
Shiva fell down. He doesn't even know where it
तो
fell.
उसी की कथा कह रहे हैं
Then he
नारद
came
जी
back
क्या
to
बोले? शिव जी कह
Krishna,
रहे हैं,
to Lord, and he became so ashamed, Shivaji.
मैं तुम्हारे पिता वो भी काम
So
भी
Shiva told Narada, I am your son, father. Even I couldn't conquer lust.
एकमात्र
Who can conquer the lust? Only Bhagavan Shri Krishna.
भगवान विष्णु
Only Bhagavan Vishnu.
और नारद ऋषि अहंकार में कहने लगे
Narada Rishi was so
कि
proud,
प्रभु मैंने काम के जीत लिया
saying,
भगवान
Prabhu, I've
मुस्कुराने
conquered the
लगे,
lust. And Bhagavan was only smiling. Oh, yeah? Okay.
मुस्कुराने लगे।
Smiling, smiling.
अच्छा।
Okay.
बोले क्या बोले जब फिर जो उधार से आने लगे
Okay, when he was coming back,
भगवान ने ऐसे एक सुंदर जोग माया की तरह व्यवस्था कर दिया एक
Bhagavan
तरह से
arranged.
वही चल रहा
there's a marriage ceremony was going
है।
on.
विवाह उत्सव चल रहा
Vivaha Utsav.
है जहाँ पर वहाँ पर जाए क्या बोलते हैं स्वयंवर सभा क्या दुल्हन
So it was going on. Swayamvar Sabha means when the bride chose her husband to be. So the beautiful bride
आइए हाथ में बरमाला
is there holding a garland in her hand.
किसके गले में नारद ऋषि देख करके तो हैरान हो गए
Narada Rishi saw that and became amazed.
बोले मेरे गले में मिल गया
Oh, I also want.
है
I want this
नारद
garland
ऋषि
on my
ये
neck.
सोचने लगे ये
नारद ऋषि
बरमाला
का-
मुझे लगा ऐसी सुंदर
I want this garland on my neck. This beautiful
फिर क्या करे
girl
नारद ऋषि भगवान के पास खुद आ गए
searching for a husband.
बोले प्रभु
Then Narada Rishi came to Bhagavan again and said, I want a benediction. Which benediction? I want Harimukh, the face of God. Hari means Sri Hari, but Hari also means monkey.
भगवान ने कहा एवं वस्तु जैसे
Bhagavan said, okay, I will give you whatever is good for you, I will
वही
give you.
मैं कर देता हूं।
I'll give you the benediction which is
नारद
good
ऋषि
for you.
सोचा ये हरिमुख बने
Narada Rishi thought, oh, Harimukh means
विष्णु के मुख देखने सुंदर है
the face of Vishnu, which is so beautiful.
किंतु भगवान ने उसको क्या दिया
But actually Bhagavan instead gave him Harimukh,
और वहीं पर
in the face of monkey. So this Swayamvar Sabha was going on,
खड़ी हुई माला
broom choosing ceremony. So the bride was
और वो देखकर हे
going with the garland, and whenever Narada would come in front of her, she would like completely dodge from him.
बोले मेरे गले में
She would didn't want to fight, and then avoid him. She would avoid him, but he was coming in front and trying to get the garland, and everyone was laughing at him.
भगवान विष्णु
Then Bhagavan Vishnu, in this moment,
गरुड़ जी के पीठ पर चढ़ करके वहीं पर पधारे
came in riding Garud, came there. And when Bhagavan Vishnu came, this lady
वरमाला ने क्या दी
put the garland on the neck of Lord
और
Vishnu.
गरुड़ के पीठ पर चढ़ करके
And then she climbed on Garud,
नारद ऋषि हैरान
and
हो
left.
गया
Narada Rishi was
भगवान तो मुझे दिया ही
so, like in shock. What?
तो सब देवता लोग कहने लगे
She gave the garland to Bhagavan.
नारद तुम अपने तो मुंह तो देखो
Then
हरिमुख है
all the demigods laughing at Narada said,
हरि माने श्री हरि के मुख है देखने
look at your face, if you say Harimukh or not. Narada said, of course I have the beautiful face of Lord Harimukh, very beautiful.
नारद ऋषि देखा
Then when he saw the reflection, he had the face of a monkey.
नारद ऋषि ने अभिशाप दिया
Then Narada Rishi cursed.
जैसे मैं
भगवान।
स्त्री के लिए जैसे मैं पागल
Just like I became crazy for this woman,
स्त्री के
woman,
वियोग में जैसे मैं
and I am suffering in separation of this lady,
ऐसे ही
in the same way, you should also feel the same.
देखो नारद ऋषि स्वयं भगवान को क्या
So
दे दिया
Narada Rishi
शराब दे दी
gave a curse to Swayam Bhagavan.
वही राम वही विष्णु राम के रूप में प्रकट हुए
The same Vishnu appeared as
वही
Ram,
लक्ष्मी सीता जी के रूप में प्रकट
and
हुए
Lakshmi appeared as
इसके
Sita.
पश्चात जो
And
है
after that,
रावण ने सीता जी को हरण किया
Ravana kidnapped Sita.
है और राम और सीता में बिछोड़ हुई
Then Ram and Sita were apart after.
नारद ऋषि ने और एक बात कहने लगे
Narada Rishi told one more thing. Okay,
बंदर ने जिस बंदर के मुख आपने दिया
you give me the face of a monkey. The monkeys, they will
उनको मिलाने के लिए
help you to get your wife back.
मेरे बंदर के नाम के द्वारा
So then Bhagavan made a bridge
चढ़ाई की
with the monkeys' armies.
वध किया
He attacked Lanka, killed Ravana, and then after that,
सीता जी को रावण के चंगुल से निकाल
he was able to take Sita from the
ये समस्त कथा रामायण में वर्णन है
clutches of Ravan. This is in the Ramayana
सीता जी
Katha.
की अग्नि परीक्षा हुई
Then Sita was tested in the fire.
और अग्नि परीक्षा करके
After that,
सीता जी को ले करके
Sita was taken
अयोध्या में
to Ayodhya and taken back.
तो ये रामलीला की जो सारे कथा जो संक्षेप में सुनाया
So all the kathas of Ramalila, I told in brief now, but who is the origin of all? Narada Rishi.
है? रामायण के जो मूल है राम ऋषि कथा और वही नारद ऋषि महाप्रभु की लीला में
The same Narada Rishi in the pastimes of Mahaprabhu is Srivas Thakur, topmost devotee. No one is as devotee as the Srivas Thakur.
छोटा बेटा मर गया
The youngest son of Srivas, he's died in the middle of the night.
और दूसरी कक्ष में माताएं जो है रो रही थी
In the other room, the mothers were crying.
दूसरी कक्ष में महाप्रभु समस्त भक्त के साथ
And also in the other room, Mahaprabhu was chanting holy names with the
शिवाजी
devotees.
के पता चला उनके छोटा बेटा
Srivas got to know that his youngest son
शिवाजी
died.
दूसरी कक्ष में आकर के माताएं
Srivas came to the room and told the ladies,
रोते रहो
if you continue crying,
महाप्रभु के नाम संकीर्तन में बाधा विघ्न पड़ेगी
then this will be an obstacle to the Sankirtan of Mahaprabhu.
दुखित हो
Mahaprabhu will be very unhappy. So don't cry.
और यदि तुम लोग ऐसे रोते रहो
If you
और
continue
महाप्रभु के
crying,
नाम संकीर्तन में बाधा हो
And there is any
तो
obstacle
मैं
to the
ही
Nama
संख्या
Sankirtan,
गंगा में जाकर
I
के
myself will go to the Ganges and I will leave my body there. I'll jump in the water.
इसी प्रकार श्रीवास ठाकुर
So in this way, Srivas
सारे
Thakur
माताओं की जो है संतना की
pacified all the mothers.
और फिर महाप्रभु के नाम संकीर्तन में आकर के
And then he came
योगदान
to the
दिया।
Nama Sankirtan,
कुछ समय के बाद
back
देखा
in
तो
the Nama
महाप्रभु
Sankirtan, right? He was
श्रीवास
there.
जी के कहने लगे
Then
श्रीवास
Mahaprabhu told Srivas,
क्या तुम्हारे घर में
Hey
कोई
Srivas, has
मदद नहीं
anything
हुई?
inauspicious happened in your house?
श्रीवास जी कहते हैं प्रभु आप स्वयं
Srivas said,
भगवान,
Prabhu,
आपके
you
नाम
are
जाप
Swayam
करो।
Bhagavan. and you're
कहाँ
chanting
पर
the holy
ऐसे
names.
हो सकता? अनहोनी कहाँ
How
हो
is it possible something bad
सकता है?
happened?
सर्व
That something
मंगलमय
bad has
भगवान।
happened. Bhagavan is
सर्व
Sarva
मंगल
Mangala, like his
जिनके नाम
topmost
लेते ही
auspiciousness.
समस्त पाप नष्ट हो जाते हैं।
By chanting his holy names,
नाम
all
लेते
sins
ही
are destroyed.
भवसिद्ध सुखाए। जिनके नाम ग्रहण करने से जीवों की भवबंधन अपने आप क्या हुए?
All the material attachments and material existence of the jivas are destroyed by the holy names.
आज तो आप साक्षात नामी पुरुष हैं।
So
नामी
you are the
नामी
Lord
नाम और
himself,
नामी पुरुष हैं। तो
chanting
हमारे
his
घर
holy
में
names,
अपप्रभु
Nama
कहाँ हो
Purush,
सकता है?
chanting holy names. So how can I have any inauspicious thing in my house?
सच कर।
Then Mahaprabhu said, Shivas, tell me
कुछ
honestly.
बात हो।
Something happened.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु स्वयं भगवान है,
Mahaprabhu is
सर्वंतर्यामी
Swayam
है।
Bhagavan, he knows everything.
तथापि लोक शिक्षा के लिए
Still, just to give teachings to the jivas, he's saying, hey
बताओ,
Shivas,
क्या
tell
हुआ?
me, what happened?
तो श्रीवास ठाकुर कहने लगे,
Shivas
प्रभु
told, hey Prabhu,
आपके दिए हुए मेरे कनिष्ठ पुत्र है, आज
Actually,
मध्यरात्रि में
my youngest son,
देहांतर हो गया,
tonight he died.
है? महाप्रभु रोने लगे,
Mahaprabhu
श्रीवास
started crying, saying, Shivas,
है? तुम्हारे बेटा चला गया
your son has died.
और तुम ना मुझे समाचार दिया
And you didn't
ना तुम
inform me.
रोए,
You didn't cry.
है? महाप्रभु रोने लगे, है? चैतन्य महाप्रभु कहने लगे, चलो
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
इस कक्षा
said,
में तुम्हारे बेटा की मृत शरीर पड़ा।
okay, in which room? I will go to the room where your
महाप्रभु
son's
गए, उस बालक के छाती पर
body is
हाथ
there.
रख दिया।
Mahaprabhu went, put his hand on the
महाप्रभु
boy.
कहने लगे, तुम कहाँ
Boy
चले
came
गए?
back to life. Mahaprabhu said,
आप
where
जहाँ
have you
से आप
gone
लाते
to?
हैं, जहाँ भेजते हैं वहीं पर।
Boy told, oh, wherever you send
आपकी
me, I
इच्छा
was
से
there.
हमारे
By your
शरीर में
desire,
आती है।
I came to this
और
body.
आपकी इच्छा से हम शरीर
By
से
your
चले
desire,
जाते
also, I left this body.
हैं। श्रीवास जी के मृत पुत्र के द्वारा
So by
जगत की शिक्षा
the dead body of Shiva's son, like when his son came back to life, actually
संसार के
Mahaprabhu gave
सभी
so
जीव
many teachings to the
भगवत
jivas.
इच्छा से इस संसार
Actually,
में
the
जन्म
jivas
लेते हैं
are being born and
और
dying
भगवान
because
की
of the
इच्छा
desire
से
of
फिर
Bhagavan.
शरीर छोड़कर चले जाते हैं। कौन किसके माता पिता है?
Who is the mother and father of whom?
उसमें संबंध रखते हैं।
When we have the body, then we have this relationship.
इसी जन्म में आप भी उसके
In this
कभी
life.
माता पिता बने थे।
You, in some life, maybe
आज आप उसको माता पिता बने।
in some life, like, okay, sorry, your mother and father from this life, maybe in another life, you were their parents.
हैं? तुम्हारे कोख से ये तुम उसके कोख से जन्म लिए।
Like in another life,
समझ गए?
like they were born from you, and now like you were born from them. Like the positions are changing. This is samsara chakra. Sorry, cycle of
और जीव अपने-अपने कर्म के
birth and
अनुसार
death.
एक
And the
स्थान से
jivas,
एक
according to their
स्थान
karma,
में जन्म लेते हैं,
they are born in
शरीर
different
छोड़ देते
places.
हैं, आदि
They give up
आदि।
their body.
जब तक हमारे कर्मों की फल रहते हैं, वो हम वहीं पर रह जाते हैं।
If we still
और कर्मों
have
के फल
karma
समाप्त हो
fall,
जाते हैं, हम शरीर छोड़ के चले जाते हैं।
if we still have karma
कोई
fall,
एक निर्धारित समय है इस शरीर में
हरि बोल।
आप कब तक
for how long you'll stay in the body. There's a predetermined time for how long you'll stay in the body.
और वो समय होने के साथ ही साथ छोड़ करके चले जाते हैं।
When time comes, immediately you leave.
यही जीवों की कर्मों की वृत्ति का है, कर्म के द्वारा चलती है। अनादि काल से
Since time immemorial,
अनादि काल से जीव इस कर्म में, ये कर्म के चक्र में
the jivas are
भ्रमण कर रहे हैं
wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death of karma.
और उसी की हम एक संबंध जोड़ लेते हैं।
And then we are
माता
creating
पिता
a relationship with mother, father, relationship. Just like a dream.
सपनों में राजा बन जाता।
In the dream, you become a
जब
king.
नींद टूटा देखा तो
When you wake up, you see.
मैं वही जो फटा फुटा गोदड़ी में सोया था।
You see that actually you are sleeping in
तो उसी
like a
प्रकार
very
था सपनवत
poor bed.
जीव उसी प्रकार इस संसार में भ्रमण करते जाते
The jivas are in this material world like this.
हैं। ये सुख दुख सुख केवल मोह मात्र है, मोह।
Happiness, distress is only like
इसी के जो जान लेते हैं
illusion. If you have this knowledge, you become liberated.
आज इसी के जो जान लेते हैं वो उसमें मोह नहीं होता है, उसे जानते हैं हमारे कर्तव्य ही करना है बस, हैं? ये कर्तव्य ड्यूटी एंड
So we have this duty and responsibility.
है। पुत्र संतान को जन्म दिया,
So give birth
उसके
to
पालन पोषण
baby, you have to take care of him.
करना कर्तव्य है। आज ये विधान है सर। और इतने में क्या
Krishna.
भजन करो,
Main is do bhajan.
सबके भजन में लगा। माता पिता की कभी
like
अनादर
try
करना
to,
नहीं चाहिए,
you should not also dishonor your parents.
है? क्योंकि देखो माता पिता की कृपा से हमारे शरीर प्राप्त
By the
हुआ।
mercy of your parents, you got this body. So they should try to engage everyone in
यदि
bhajan,
शरीर नहीं होते
spiritual
तो
life.
भजन कहाँ करते?
Don't dishonor them. If you didn't have body, how would you
बहुत जरूरी
do
बात।
bhajan?
मूर्ख लोग
It's
इसे
something
समझ
very
नहीं पाते।
important. Foolish people don't understand this.
माता पिता ने कृपा करके मुझे
Your
शरीर
parents
दी।
mercifully gave you the
आत्मा तो
body.
नित्य है।
The soul is
यदि
eternal.
माता पिता के द्वारा हम शरीर
But
नहीं
if
प्राप्त
you
करते
wouldn't get this
भजन
body
कहाँ
because of your parents, how would you do
करते? इसलिए
bhajan?
सभी क्या है माता पिता
That's why
के
everyone
निकट वो ऋणी है,
is indebted to their parents.
हैं? जीव जन्म ग्रहण करने के साथ ही साथ 6 प्रकार के ऋण हो
When the
जाते
jiva
हैं।
is born, he has automatically 6 debts.
6 प्रकार के ऋण है नहीं आपके पास,
6 debts you have.
हैं? 6 प्रकार ऋण क्या है?
What are the 6 debts?
मातृ ऋण, पितृ ऋण,
That with
देव
mother,
ऋण,
father,
ऋषि ऋण,
demigods,
राज
rishis,
ऋण,
king,
हैं? ये सब ऋण हम।
all these
तो
debts.
ऋण से मुक्त कैसे होंगे?
How to be free from these debts?
माता पिता के ऋण से कैसे मुक्त
How to be free from the debt with your parents?
बोले माता पिता की सेवा करो,
Serve the parents.
हैं? जब इसलिए परम गुरु महाराज माता पिता
That's
की
what Param
जब तक
Guru
सेवा
Maharaj
नहीं
told.
करोगे, तुम ऋण
If
से
you don't serve your parents, you'll never be able to be free from the debts. Serve your parents.
तो भक्त लोग कहेंगे माता पिता
And the
कौन
Buddha is
है?
told, but who are our
ऐसे
parents?
परम पुत्र सही पिता
The
माता
one who is giving Prema Bhakti. He is the real mother and father.
परम माता पिता कौन है?
Who is the topmost mother and father?
भगवान।
Bhagavan.
भगवत सेवा करने से
If you serve
मेरे माता
Bhagavan,
पिता भी ऋण से मुक्त हो।
you are also being delivered from the debts with your parents.
आया समझ?
Understand?
हाँ भजन करो, आपके माता पिता
That,
भी
that. Jivida.
ऋण से मुक्त हो जाए।
If you serve your parents, if you serve Bhagavan, you are free from the debts with your parents as well.
इसलिए भगवान के गतो मुकुंद कर्तव्यम परिहित कर, गतो मुकुंद परिहित कर, सब कुछ छोड़ करके एकमात्र मुकुंद भगवान श्री हरि की।
So give up everything and just do bhajan of Bhagavan Shimakunda.
माता पिता की कभी अनादर मत करो, अनादर
Never
समझ
dishonor your parents.
हैं, disrespect मत।
Never be disrespectful towards your parents.
जो उनकी कृपा
Respect
से
them.
हमें शरीर प्राप्त की,
Because you got this body because of them.
क्योंकि साधारण थोड़ी
It's not something
कहाँ कीड़े
ordinary.
मकड़े होकर के घूम रहा था,
You were actually wandering like
हैं,
insects,
पशु पक्षी होकर के
birds,
घूम रहा था।
animals. You were wandering in this
तो
material
माता
world.
पिता ने कृपा करके
But your
मुझे
parents
शरीर दिया,
mercifully gave you the mercy,
हैं?
gave you this body
मनुष्य से तो मनुष्य मिलता है,
of human being.
पशु से पशु शरीर मिलता है,
Because you
गाय
get
के
the human
बच्चा
being
गाय
body
होता है,
from human
कुत्ते के
beings.
बच्चा
You get a
हैं?
cow
कुत्ते
body
के बच्चा
from cows. Like an animal body is born from animals.
गधा होता है,
Donkey
सुअर के
is
बच्चा
baby
क्या होता
of
है?
donkeys.
सुअर होता है,
Hogs have baby pigs,
और
piglets.
मनुष्य के बच्चा क्या होता है?
And the human being baby is a human being also.
तो हम जो मनुष्य जब शरीर से
So
प्राप्त
we got the
किया,
human being body
कहाँ से प्राप्त किया?
from where?
कुत्ते से,
From the dog,
ना
from a
मनुष्य
dog.
से, क्या आप बताओ?
You tell me.
गधे से,
From the
कहाँ
donkey?
से मिला?
From where did you get this body?
माता पिता।
From your parents.
इसलिए कहते हैं पहले तो मनुष्य बनो,
So that's why first of all become a human being. Don't become a donkey.
हैं? हाँ? सुने मेरे।
I'm not hearing what you're saying.
वो महाप्रभु कहते हैं इस कलियुग
So
में जो
Mahaprabhu in this
है,
Kali Yuga.
अवतार जो है कहा जाता है प्रच्छन्न अवतार का,
He's a Prachana avatar, hidden incarnation.
वो सबको दिखाना नहीं चाहते।
He doesn't want to show off to others, like he doesn't want to show to others.
जो व्यक्ति बहुत धनी होता है ना,
Those who are very rich,
वो ऊपर से बहुत
externally they look like
कंजूस होकर के रहा था,
miser or like normal people.
उसको ऊपर से देखने लगता है मैं जा रहा
Externally he looks like miser.
चोर डकैत उसके पकड़
So
ले,
that no thief will steal him.
हीरे
If
सोने
you're
आदि
full
लेकर
of
के चले
diamonds,
जाएंगे।
if you're walking with
चोर
diamonds,
डकैत
gold,
आपको पकड़ लेंगे नहीं,
the thief will rob you or not, even kill you maybe.
वो आपके पास महामूल्यवान धन
So
हो,
if you
कैसे
have
जाओगे?
a lot of wealth, how will you go? Like hidden.
इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So that's why Chaitanya
ये
Mahaprabhu,
प्रेम धन को देने के लिए छुप करके
he's hiding like himself, like
इसलिए
he's
कहा
in
जाता है
disguise to give
प्रच्छन्न
this
अवतार।
topmost wealth of Prem. So he's Prachana avatar, hidden incarnation.
महामूल्यवान धन को दे रहे हैं,
So he's giving the topmost wealth,
और दूसरी बात जो है
highest
कृष्ण
wealth.
जो है
Another
राम
point.
के भाव और कांति लेकर के आए
Krishna came taking the mood and complexion of Srimati Radha. He doesn't want to show himself to everyone.
जो भक्तजन के पास
He
प्रकाश
doesn't want
किया
to show who he is.
जैसे रायरमन जी के पास
Like suppose he showed himself to some devotees like Swarupa Damadara, Rai Ramananda.
ऐसे भक्त के निकट अपने सत्य का प्रकाश किया
For some devotees, yes, this kind of devotees he showed his own form.
सर्व भट्टाचार्य आदि
For Sarvam Bhattacharya also. To the devotees, Mahaprabhu showed his own form. But to others, non-devotees, Mahaprabhu was like hiding. He gave prem to everyone.
अरे भाई आग आग कब तक छुपे रह सकते
The fire cannot remain hidden for a long time. The fire cannot remain
जो
hidden.
सप्रकाशमान है बादल
Like-
कब तक उसके बाहर से ढक रहे हैं
Like the sun is shining so much, the cloud cannot hide the sun
इसी प्रकार लीला
for long. So
लेकिन जैसे बाकी अवतार में डिक्लेयर किया कि मैं भगवान हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे सबको बोल रहे हैं कि ये बोलना मत, बाकी
you see, Mahaprabhu told to the devotees like that they should not tell about himself. Anyway, Mahaprabhu is doing a human being pastime, so he's like hiding his mood.